Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm really happy to see you all here. Today, I'm back with another flower drawing video. This is going to be very easy, with simple tricks and tips. So grab your paper and pen or pencil, and draw along with me. Don't worry about perfection, just enjoy the process. I'll be sharing small tips while drawing. So even if you're a beginner, you can easily follow this. If at any moment you feel like, hey, I can do this, that's exactly the goal of this video. Take your time, relax, and let your hand move freely. Art is not about being perfect. It's about trying and enjoying. All right, let's start the drawing and create something beautiful together. If you like this drawing, please like the video. And if you're new here, subscribe to support my small channel. Your support really motivates me to create more. Also, comment below and tell me how your drawing turned out and what you want me to draw next.